Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel and happy New Year's Eve. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I wanted to jump on and share with you a few little Christmas embellishments I made. I'm sending them off to a crafty friend and I just wanted to come on quickly and share with you what I created. I did make a set of word embellishments, and the first word is joy, Noel, and Mary. I did layer it a couple of times to give it some dimension, and I think those came out super cute. I did die cut them out of some gold glitter paper that I have in my stash, and I use this really pretty ornate frame die that I also have, and I think it came out really cute. And then I packaged it with this really thick, sturdy gold cardstock that I've shared before in the past, and I just love it, and she can just pop it off and use it on a future Christmas project. So I made that one, and then I'm also gifting her some of these cute little bears that I made so that she can use it on a future project. And this is the cute little Alina bow topper die. So I'm packaging it just like this. And then I did get to play with this cute little die right here, and it's an adorable little snowman. And I just kind of went with the this buffalo check theme because that was the papers that I had used with everything that I had created for my friend. So I think those snowmen came out really, really cute. And again, she can just pop them off and put them on a project. And then I had to create some bows. So I did make the heart bows, and I did layer it with the cute deer paper. And again, I used the same little frame die. I guess it's a tag die, and just did 2 layers of the tag die and popped the 2 bows on, and I did double layer it so the gold pops off of the hearts, if you can see that through the plastic. But it's really, really pretty. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm trying to get it to focus. But super cute. And then I also made this embellishment pack right here. I did share this on Instagram the other day, but this is the tiny heart bow die from Alina's store. And then I just used some dies from my stash to create this tag right here, and I think it came out so, so cute. And I'll go ahead and open this up so you guys can see it just a little bit better. I added some stars, but this is what it looks like up close, in case you're wondering. And you can see the stitching on the bow and the cute little hearts. And I just love the way that this little tag came out. It's absolutely adorable. So anyway, this is just a quick little project share. Hope you're inspired. Happy New Year, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.